Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best beach umbrella for wind. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with BEACHBUB All-In-One. If you need a beach umbrella widely known for its unwavering sturdiness, go for the BEACHBUB All-In-One. The heavy-duty umbrella is portable as it does not weigh more than 9 pounds and meets the ASTM Beach Umbrella Safety Standard. Therefore, you do not need to worry about it being blown away. The umbrella is made of durable and quality material such as fiberglass, aluminum, and PA-coated fabric and can resist wind up to 45 miles per hour. Setting up the BEACHBUB is a breeze as it comes with a fillable base, towel hook, sand gopher tool, and a carry bag. With 5 simple instructions, you are set and ready to relax. The set and forget umbrella is best suited for 1 or 2 people and doesn't move due to its anchoring system. Sport-Brella Premiere. Sport-Brella Premiere is one of the best extra-large grounded beach umbrellas for wind. Sport-Brella Premiere offers enough shade and is used at an angle with zippered windows to maximize airflow and prevent it from being blown away. It features an 8-foot canopy crafted with UPF 50+ protection, heavy-duty pole, and tent flaps. It weighs 8 pounds, but with a handy carrying strap, you can sling it across the body to quickly move around. It also has internal pockets to tuck your phone and other small essentials. Regarding security, you have 4 standard ground spikes, 3 tie-down cords, and 4 heavy-duty ground spikes. Additionally, it occupies small footprints, thus making it suitable for crowded beaches. Tommy Bahama Beach Umbrella. If you're looking for the most trusted umbrella brand by beach lovers, Tommy Bahama is one of the best sought after. The umbrella is made of fiberglass ribs, polyester, and aluminum with a strong built-in anchor to withstand strong winds. Setting up the umbrella is a breeze as it only needs 1 person, and the umbrella is ready to use in not more than 5 minutes. You can adjust the canopy to 13 inches if you want more shade, and it comes with an integrated table that holds up to 2 cups and other small essentials, remembering the telescopic pole. Tommy Bahama also provides UPF 50+ sun protection and a curtain for more shade. Which is the best? BEACHBUB All-In-One is the best windproof beach umbrella due to its innovative design and quality construction. Its solid frame, double stitches, and wind gust vents make it stand out as the wind tunnel tested umbrella. Thanks for watching.